Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my student all, especially class 12, 12 AKL. Today is Monday, 10 August 2020. Today we are learning about due to the bad weather. This is the title on the slide 1. Next, slide 2. In the slide 2, there is the tujuan akhir. I will read for you. Setelah mempelajari dan menyelesaikan modul due to the bad weather, diharapkan siswa dapat menunjukkan kemampuan dalam memahami dan menerangkan ungkapan, memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab akibat pada teks lisan dan tulis, dengan memperhatikan unsur kebahasaan because of, due to, dan thanks to. Yang kedua, mengidentifikasi ungkapan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab akibat pada teks lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab dan akibat. Dan yang ketiga, next, membuat teks lisan dan tulis sederhana untuk memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab akibat dengan memperhatikan unsur kebahasaan dalam kurung adalah because of, due to, dan thanks to. That is slide 2. Now we go into slide 3. We are learning about kegiatan pembelajaran. How to do in the lesson. In here, KD 3.24, conjunction chapter 1. Conjunction that means kata sambung. Menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, teks interaksi, transaksional lisan, dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab akibat sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. KD 4.24, conjunction, menyusun teks interaksi, transaksional lisan, dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab akibat dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai dengan konteks. That is in the slide number 3. Now we go slide number 4. Conjunction. Apa itu conjunction? Conjunction that means kata sambung in bahasa Indonesia meaning. Digunakan untuk menggabungkan anak kalimat dan induk kalimat dalam kalimat majemuk bertingkat. Disebut juga subordinate conjunction. Kapan kita menggunakannya? Menggunakannya adalah ketika kita menggabungkan dua kalimat atau bagian kalimat yang setara dalam kalimat majemuk yang disebut coordinate conjunction. Coordinate conjunction and show addition, tambahan, but show atau kontras, lawan, or show alternation, pilihan. So show reason, alasan. And juga menggabungkan dua bagian kalimat. Misalkan the boys and the girl join the camping. Boy and girl join the camping. Menggabungkan dua kalimat, my husband washes the car and prepare the meal for picnic on Sunday. But, tetapi, menggabungkan dua bagian kalimat. Anita is a beautiful but lazy. Menggabungkan dua kalimat, Ali has studied English for 3 years, but he cannot speak English fluently. Or, atau menggabungkan dua bagian kalimat. Do you want an apple or an orange? Menggabungkan dua kalimat. Are you going to the party? Or will you stay home? Subordinate conjunction. All those show contrast before, after, when, since, until, show time, because, since, show reason, if, show condition. Coordinate conjunction menghubungkan anak kalimat dengan induk kalimat. Induk kalimat bisa berdiri sendiri, sedangkan anak kalimat tidak bisa. Harus melekat pada induknya. Coordinate conjunction ini merupakan bagian dari anak kalimat tersebut. Oke, next slide number 5. Induk kalimat ada anak kalimat. He is not happy although he has a lot of money. Induk kalimat anak kalimat. Time, when, ketika. Was in the mall when I show him for the first time. When I show him for the first time, I was in the mall. Until in bahasa Indonesia meaning sampai. Waited for him until he came. Until he came, I waited for him. Before, sebelum, the man talked to the receptionist before he entered the office. Before he entered the office, he man talked to the receptionist. After, that means sesudah. I will help you after I finish my own job. After I finish my own job, I will help you. Since, that means sejak. Ratna had liked him since she met him for the first time. Since she met him for the first time, she had liked him. Alasan or reason. Because, karena. I left early because I was very tired. Because I was very tired, I left early. Since, karena. Hendra cannot accompany me since he has to meet the headmaster. Since he had to meet the headmaster, Hendra cannot accompany me. That is the example in the slide 6. Now we go into slide next. Because of ada due to dan because of di sini contohnya example her anger was due to the broken window. She was angry due to the broken window. Jadi dua kalimat ini bisa menggunakan due to atau because of. Next, since dengan because of. The meaning since that means sejak, because karena. Since you don't like milk, I don't drink it. Because you don't like milk, don't drink it. Nah, this is the example between since and because. And here there is latihan for exercises. There are 5 number you do in the notebook. And then next, also exercises you can join with because atau because of. Yeah. Next, this is a conversation between Mia and Sanity. They are talking about the job. And here you can read by yourself about Mia, and the end is okay, let's go. That's a good idea. They are going together. Next, this is Andy and Rico. They are talking about something. They're talking about the come to my home tonight. Okay, I will be there. Next, this is the example for you. This you are joining. A and B become one sentence. There are A and B become one sentence. And the last is you are this is fill in the blank, yeah, A and B, and there is also into English. Okay.